Hi, I'm Tapas Fleming, and this is video 3 in our 3-part series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to select something to work on so that you can be feeling happier and lighter by the end of this video in just a few minutes. I'll walk you through 3 steps of TAT. There are 9 in all. And then later, if you feel like, ooh, this is tasty and I am interested, then you can learn the whole process. If you haven't seen the second video, please see that now, because that tells you how to be and how to do the TAT pose, and then you'll get the most out of this video. Okay, so for starters, choose an experience, some event that happened on a scale of 1 to 10, where 10 is the most stressful it could possibly be, and 1 is no stress at all. So what you're going to choose is something around a 4 or maybe a 5 at the most. So it's not the biggest thing that ever happened in your life, but it's something that when you think about it, you can still feel some stuff there right now. Keep in mind too, after we do this video, to only do 20 minutes when you're in the TAT pose in a day, because even though this looks very simple, a lot happens, and your body, mind, feelings need time to integrate it. So don't go overboard. Just keep it to 20 minutes at the most in a day. Okay, so if you haven't picked that single incident that happened in your life, then pick something now. It's like a 4 or maybe a 5 on a scale of 1 to 10. Oh yes, and if you have any thoughts like, this won't work for me, or what I've got is too big, just add those into the mix of what's going to be healed right here and now in our work together. So when I am saying what I'm saying, your job is just going to be do the TAT pose, listen to what I say, relax, and then notice whatever you notice. That's it. Remember, like you're a kid in the back of a car just watching the world go by. Happy! Okay, so we'll do the TAT pose now. Remember, it's a light touch. And while we're in the pose, you just put your attention on what I'm saying. Everything that led up to my resonating, identifying, and connecting with this happened. All that happened, it's over. I can relax now, and I don't need to resonate, identify, or connect with that anymore. It's possible for me to feel better now. I'm lovable now. I deserve and accept love. It happened, it's over, and I'm okay. I can remember what happened, but it doesn't bother me much at all. I am and always have been worth loving. I can relax now and live a happy life. So come out of the pose and take a few moments and notice what's different now compared to when we started. Are you feeling a little lighter? Are you feeling happier? If you're not, for any reason, if you feel worse for any reason, please contact one of our TAT pros or me so we can do the whole process with you. But I'm expecting you're feeling better now and you can notice it. On that same scale of 1 to 10, when you think of just that event, where would you rate it right now, with 10 being the worst and 1 being no stress at all? How does it compare to when we started? One of the great things that happens with TAT is that this change happens in a totally simple, effortless way, and then you get to notice in your life what goes on as you're living your life, and your life rolls out around you. You get to notice yourself saying, I didn't react to that like I usually do, or, wow, I would never feel relaxed in that situation, but I do now. Maybe it really was that TAT. So there you go. There is your taste of TAT. Thank you so much for joining me in this video series.